out of the galaxy. I'll take you to out of the galaxy.
Yo, my name is Deadkey, aka Lil Itchy, aka that 053 boy you heard. Right now we're shooting the music video for Lokal. It's produced by Mark Beats. We got a bunch of rappers, man. And I feel like I'm the only one who's got, I feel like I'm the no-name rapper who got fucking lucky to be on this track. Real shit, real shit.
Alright, and what can you tell the people about your verse on this song right here?
I'm talking about astral projection, you know what I'm saying? You know, I'm repping my city, Tacloban. I'm speaking in Waray because I want Waray-Waray to be known worldwide, you know what I'm saying? Like I want people to know that it's how Waray-Waray sounds, that it still sounds good even with hip hop. That's my thing. That's what I want to do. Right now, I'm really proud that there are a lot of kids, new guys, working on the new music that I can listen to, that I really fuck with. You know what I'm saying? It's been a long time since Waray-Waray hip hop has been popping, and I'm proud Region 808 is represented. Yo, Jose, we got Kinzer, we got Keegan, you know what I'm saying? We got the whole Region 808 crew. And those guys are my idols right now. I want to be working with those guys.
Alright. And what you got coming up?
Shit, man, we got a lot coming up with my brother Denial, the Rice Cracker. We got an EP with CLR. We got our own EP. Hopefully we got that new song with Hero as well from Rebel Dogs. You know what I'm saying? I'm making that happen. We got new tracks produced by Swenix Beats. Of course, Crystal, you know what I'm saying? Those guys, those producers fuck with us. I got a compilation, I'm part of a compilation from Chasing the Sound, so gotta watch out for that. Bo Jam, produced by Bo Jam of FlipMusic. Yeah.
At syempre po, wag po natin kalimutan mag-subscribe po sa Copula TV, Copula TV. Subscribe po kayo, sobrang gusto niyo po mga update ko sa hip-hopan at sa Copula TV. Subscribe na.